Rugged phones are designed for specialized purposes, and for that reason, rugged phones are the best ways to test out new techs. One of the most memorable ones is Doogee V Max. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more review videos. Doogee V Max, clearer, faster and more rugged phone. It comes with stunning color combination in a special sunshine gold, classic black and moonshine silver. It will provide you super protection over 50% metal bodies. Doogee V Max is a truly rugged design. Its tough credentials include MIL Spec 810H and IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistant certified, scratch resistant screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The advanced sealing technology and solid structure make the Doogee V Max more than simply a splash-proof function. Doogee V Max equipped with 6.58 display along with a 2408 by 1080 resolution screen and with 120 Hz ultra-high refresh rate. It comes with 108 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel night vision camera and 16 megapixel wide-angled macro camera. Its 108 megapixel camera includes 7P lens that has markedly enhanced the light gathering ability, and L2.0 provide comprehensive image algorithm optimization to make the picture more vivid. In Pro mode with 108 megapixel professional grade cameras, mega moments are right at your fingertips. With HDR mode on, you can take photos in backlit scenes and still retain details and dark areas. The night mode adds unrivaled clarity to your photos when they are in the dark. With portrait mode you can upgrade beauty according to different skin tones together with AL intelligent recognition of men and women for differentiated beauty. Doogee V Max comes with extraordinary Samsung S5 KHM2SP03 sensor chip and integrated 3D HDR technology that you can capture clear and detailed video in 4K ultra-high resolution. Doogee V Max comes with Sony 20 megapixel night vision camera to ensure every moment is clear and bright so that you can render your moments clearly in dark scenes. Its 130-degree ultra-wide-angle camera is ideal for shooting in a tight space and allows for more flexibility in cropping. With 16 megapixel macro camera you get close to the object by zoom in the lenses. Doogee V Max equipped with a 32MP HD camera that helps you take stunning selfies with every snap. The V Max delivers a truly balanced stereo design so that you can enjoy more immersive audio experience. Doogee V Max comes with L1 plus L5 dual frequency, which can increase the positioning accuracy up to 10 times, and also equipped with Wi-Fi 6, which is the new standard for speed. With the ergonomic design and dynamic pressure sensing technology, a slight fingertip press, unlock your phone immediately. Doogee V Max comes with the cutting-edge MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset. With 12GB RAM that is extendable up to 20GB and 256GB ROM of Samsung UFS storage, the V Max excels at multitasking. 20GB RAM can run smoothly and reliably fast for multitasking, while 256GB ROM, which is extendable up to 2TB, allows you to keep more things than you expect. Doogee V Max comes with longer, safer, faster of 22,000 mAh large battery. The battery can last up to 7 days. You can use its battery as a power bank to charge your many devices as needed. The Doogee V Max is made to stand up to extreme temperature due to its structure, components, and metal frame. So, this was today's review, hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please visit, and before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more videos.